Hey, this is David. Today we're going to show you how to test and replace the control board on your Electrolux electric dryer. If you've been experiencing issues like the dryer not starting or unresponsive controls, it might be time to check or replace this part. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful appliance repair guides. Let's get started. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. Let's start by gathering the tools we'll need for today's troubleshooting. For this job, you'll need a Phillips head screwdriver or a square drive bit. I'm going to use a drill. It's easier and I don't want to mess up my manicure. A multimeter and a flathead screwdriver. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Always make sure to unplug your electric dryer or turn the breaker off before you begin. With your tools ready and safety taken care of, we're all set to start pinpointing the issue with your dryer. Remove the 2 screws in the back that hold the top on. Set it aside for now. Now take a close look at the control board. You'll notice it's numbered, which helps us find the terminals we need. There's a J5 plug and a J7 plug, just like on the wiring diagram. But don't be fooled. On the actual board, they are not side by side like they appear on paper. That trips up a lot of folks. Let's get in close here. The board itself will show you the plug locations and the number 1 pin on each connector. Here's J5 over here and J7 is tucked off to the side. Remove its 2 screws and shift it up so you can see the connectors more clearly. Extreme care should always be taken to protect against electric shock, which could potentially result in serious injury. Please do not test live voltage if you are uncomfortable using a multimeter around live voltage. With the power on and the dryer running and set to high heat, set your multimeter to volts AC. Start by checking from J5.1 to J5.2. If that relay is closed, you shouldn't see any voltage there. That's a good sign. It means the relay is passing power through. Next, check J5.3 to J7.1 and then J7.2 to J7.3. Same deal. If all 3 pairs read 0 volts, that tells us the relays are closed and the board sending voltage to the elements just like it should. If any of those checks show voltage instead, that means a relay isn't closing but is open, and that's your cue. The control board's defective and will need to be replaced. If you'd like to know more about how to use a multimeter, I've put together a comprehensive tutorial for you, so check out the link in the description. Now remove all of the wire connectors from off of the board. Here's the old control board and here's the new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. Reconnect all the wiring, slide the new board into position and secure it with the 2 screws. Put the top back on and install the 2 screws in the back. Turn the power back on at the breaker or plug the unit in. Got your Electrolux dryer sorted out? Solid work. If you ran into anything unusual or found a shortcut that saved time, drop it in the comments. Always good to hear how these jobs go. Need a control board or something else to finish the repair? Head over to AppliancePartsPros.com with your model number. Most parts show up in just a couple of days. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next repair.